Hey there, food lovers! Get ready to bake the most incredible pina colada pie ever. This recipe is sunshine in a dish, featuring creamy coconut filling and a hint of rum for a tropical vibe. We're going to have a lot of fun making this pie together. Trust us, it's easier than you think. This recipe is perfect for any occasion, whether a potluck, barbecue, or just a regular day. Everyone deserves a slice of paradise, so grab your aprons and let's get started. Before we start, let's round up our ingredients. This is the foundation of our tropical delight, so let's ensure we have everything we need. It's like gathering seashells on the beach. Instead, we're collecting deliciousness. Imagine the sun, the sand, and the sound of waves as you gather these vibrant ingredients. For the crust, you'll need 1.5 cups of graham cracker crumbs. These crumbs will form the base of our dessert, giving it a delightful crunch. 5 tablespoons unsalted butter, melted. The butter will bind the crumbs together, creating a rich and buttery crust. And 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. This will add just the right amount of sweetness to our crust. For the filling, you'll need 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. This will give our filling a creamy and luscious texture. 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese, softened. The cream cheese will add a tangy richness to our tropical filling. 1/2 cup of pineapple juice. This will infuse our dessert with a fresh and fruity flavor, reminiscent of a tropical paradise. 1/4 cup rum, optional but recommended for that true pina colada flavor, and 1 teaspoon coconut extract. These will elevate the tropical essence of our dessert, making it truly irresistible. 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. This will add a light and airy texture to our filling, making it melt in your mouth delicious, and maraschino cherries and toasted coconut flakes for garnish. These will add a pop of color and a delightful crunch to our finished dessert. See? Nothing too crazy. You probably have most of these ingredients in your pantry already. It's all about combining them in the right way to create something magical. Now let's get this tropical party started. With our ingredients gathered, we're ready to embark on this culinary adventure. Imagine the joy of creating a dessert that transports you to a tropical paradise with every bite. So put on your favorite island tunes and let's dive into the world of tropical flavors. Get ready to impress your friends and family with this delightful treat. Let's make some magic in the kitchen. First things first, we gotta make that crust. It's the foundation of our pie, the base that holds all the deliciousness together. Without a good crust, even the best filling won't shine. So let's get started on this essential step. And this ain't your grandma's pie crust, honey. We're taking it up a notch with a modern twist. It's going to be buttery, crumbly, and oh so delicious. Trust us, once you try this, you'll never go back to the old ways. We're going for a buttery, crumbly graham cracker crust that's as easy as a day at the beach. Imagine the texture of sand between your toes, but in a much tastier form. This crust is going to be the perfect complement to whatever filling you choose. Grab your trusty 9-inch pie plate. This size is perfect for most pie recipes and ensures that your crust will bake evenly. If you don't have a 9-inch plate, you can use an 8 or 10-inch one, but keep an eye on the baking time. Combine the graham cracker crumbs, melted butter, and sugar in a medium bowl. The butter is what gives the crust its rich flavor, while the sugar adds a touch of sweetness. Ensure your butter is melted, but not too hot, which could make the crumbs soggy. Mix it all up with a fork until it's nice and combined, like wet sand. You want the mixture to hold together when you press it, but not be too wet. If it feels too dry, you can add a little more melted butter. Press that crumb mixture into your pie plate, making sure it's nice and even along the bottom and up the sides. Use the back of a spoon or your fingers to press it firmly. This will help the crust hold its shape when you cut into the pie. We want a sturdy foundation for all that delicious filling. A well-pressed crust ensures that every bite has the perfect balance of crust and filling. Take your time with this step, it's worth it. Now, pop that crust in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, for about 8 to 10 minutes. This pre-baking step, also known as blind baking, helps to set the crust and prevent it from getting soggy when you add the filling. We just want to give it a little toasty hug. The heat melts the butter and crumbs together, creating a firm and flavorful base. Keep an eye on it though. We want it golden, not burnt. Once it's golden brown, take it out and let it cool completely. This cooling step is crucial. If you add your filling while the crust is still warm, it could melt and ruin the texture. Patience is key here, but the end result will be worth the wait. Now you're ready to fill it with whatever your heart desires. All right, everyone, it's time to blend up that dreamy, creamy, tropical filling. This is where we start to bring the flavors of the islands right into your kitchen. Imagine the sun, the sand, and the sea as we mix up this delightful treat. This is where the magic really happens. The key to a perfect tropical filling is all in the preparation. Make sure you have all your ingredients ready and measured out. It's like setting the stage for a beautiful performance. In your trusty stand mixer, or a large bowl with a hand mixer, beat together the softened cream cheese and sweetened condensed milk until smooth and fluffy. This step is crucial because we want the mixture to be as creamy as possible. The smoother, the better. We're talking light and airy like a cloud. You should see the mixture transform into a velvety, luscious base. It's almost like magic happening right before your eyes. Now gradually add in that pineapple juice, rum if you're feeling frisky, and coconut extract. These ingredients are what give our filling that unmistakable tropical flair. The pineapple juice adds a tangy sweetness, the rum gives it a little kick, and the coconut extract brings in that rich island flavor. Keep beating it all together until it's well combined and oh so smooth. You want to make sure all those flavors meld together perfectly. The mixture should be silky and uniform with no lumps or bumps. In a separate bowl, whip that heavy cream until it forms stiff peaks. This is what will give our filling that light, airy texture. The heavy cream should be cold, straight from the fridge, to whip up perfectly. We're talking peaks that stand up straight and proud. When you lift the whisk, the cream should hold its shape. This is a sign that it's whipped to perfection. Gently fold the whipped cream into the cream cheese mixture, being careful not to overmix. This step is all about maintaining that light, airy texture. Use a spatula and fold in the whipped cream in gentle, sweeping motions. We want it light and airy, not flat and deflated. The goal is to keep as much air in the mixture as possible, so take your time and be gentle. And there you have it, a tropical filling that's as light as a feather and bursting with island flavors. Perfect for any dessert that needs a touch of paradise. Get ready to bring your culinary vision to life. It's time to assemble your masterpiece, because the pie perfection you've been dreaming of is finally within reach. All right, team, we're almost there. Let's give it our all in these final moments. Time to assemble this masterpiece. Carefully pour that luscious filling into your cooled graham cracker crust. Spread it out evenly with a spatula, making sure it's nice and smooth on top. Now, cover your pie with plastic wrap and pop it in the fridge to chill for at least 4 hours, or even better, overnight. This will give the filling plenty of time to set up and get nice and firm. It's time to unwind, but embrace patience for that perfect slice. We know, waiting is the hardest part, but trust us, it's worth it. While our pie chills to perfection, let's talk about why this recipe is so special. This Piña Colada Pie is a delightful dance of textures and flavors. You've got the buttery, crumbly crust, the smooth and creamy filling with that hint of tanginess from the cream cheese, and the sweet tropical notes of pineapple and coconut. And if you decided to add that splash of rum, well, let's just say it adds a little something special for the grown-ups. Remember, good things come to those who wait, and this pie is no exception. Let's embrace the aloha spirit and have an amazing time, sharing your Pina Colada paradise. Ladies and gentlemen, the moment we've all been eagerly anticipating has finally arrived. Get ready for an exciting experience. Our Pina Colada Pie is chilled and ready to slice into. Garnish your pie with some toasted coconut flakes and a maraschino cherry on top for that extra touch of tropical flair. Now slice yourself a big old piece and take a bite. Isn't that just heavenly? The creamy, dreamy filling, the buttery crust, the hint of pineapple and coconut, each bite feels like a delightful getaway, transporting you to a flavor paradise. Don't forget to stay sweet, hit that subscribe button, and share the joy of baking with others. Let's spread the love, one delicious treat at a time. Guess what, everyone? We did it. We baked ourselves a little slice of paradise. We hope you enjoyed making this Pina Colada Pie as much as we did. Don't forget to share pictures of your beautiful creations on social media and tag us. You can even share in the comments below. We love seeing your baking adventures. And if you really love this recipe, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and leave us a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new recipe. Thank you for watching and joining us on this baking journey. Remember, there's nothing sweeter than the joy of baking, where warm ovens, delicious aromas, and a sprinkle of love turn simple ingredients into unforgettable magic. Until next time, happy baking!